हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। जैसा कि ऑलरेडी हमने लास्ट सेशन में जनवरी और फरवरी का करंट अफेयर डिस्कस किया था और आज के सेशन में हम मार्च अप्रैल का करंट अफेयर डिस्कस करने वाली हैं और ऐसे ही हम जो रहेगा दिसंबर तक का करंट अफेयर डिस्कस करेंगे। सो स्टार्ट करते हैं बिना टाइम गवाए हुए। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा जो है स्टार्ट करते हैं। Which state government will establish water informatics center, that is Odisha, who has been announced as the host of World Athletics Championship 2027 on March 1, 2024, Beijing? Where was the first indigenously manufactured hydrogen electrolyzer on March 2 inaugurated, that is Gujarat? Where is the 21 feet high statue of Maharana Pratap to be unveiled on March 2, 2024, that is Hyderabad? Which has become the first state in the country to meet 5 crore Ayushman cards on March 2, 2024, that is Uttar Pradesh? Where is Chap Chakut festival celebrated, that is Mizoram? In which state has a burial place of children of Neolithic age been discovered, that is Tamil Nadu? Which has become the first Spanish speaking country to recognize Indian pharma standards on March 3, that is Nicaragua? Which state government has announced to launch Indra Amma Awas Yojana on March 4, 2024, that is Telangana? Which state silver filigree has got the GI tag? Odisha. Which country has topped the ICC World Test Championship rankings released on March 4, 2024, that is India? Who has become the first female sniper of BSF, that is Suman Kumari? Which state government will launch My Yuva scheme, that is Uttar Pradesh? Who has been selected for the Bob Jones Award? Tiger Woods. Where was Asian River Rafting Championship organized? Shimla. Which state's tribal dress Lisa has got GI tag? That is Tripura. Where is India's first green hydrogen plant to be established in stainless steel sector on March 5, 2024? That is Hisar. Where is India's first National Dolphin Research Center inaugurated on March 5, that is Patna? Who will launch India's first government-owned OTT platform, that is Kerala? Which state government has announced Indira Gandhi Pyari Behan Sukh Samman Nidhi Yojana? Himachal Pradesh. Where was National Horticulture Fair organized? Bengaluru. In which country the death sentence has reached the highest level in the last 8 years on March 6? Iran. Where was the country's first underwater metro inaugurated? Kolkata. Who has won the first UEFA Women's Nation League? Spain. Who has won the first prize in the National Youth Parliament Festival? Yatin Bhaskar. Which country has recently devalued its currency? Egypt. Where was Sansad Khel Mahakumbh 3.0 organized? Himachal Pradesh. In which state the first generative teacher Iris has been introduced on March 7th? That is Kerala. Who has launched methane set on March 7, 2024? SpaceX. Whereas INS Jatai been commissioned, that is Lakshadweep. Who has unveiled e-Kishan Upasnit Piyush Goyal? Who has become the 32nd member country of NATO? Sweden. On March 8, 2024, the Prime Minister of which country has advocated a common currency for Muslim countries? Bangladesh. Where was the joint exercise Bharat Shakti of the three armies of India held on March 8? Jaisalmer. Who has become 97th member to ratify International Solar Alliance on March 8? Panama. Where will India's first driverless metro train be launched? That is in Bengaluru. Who will produce Formula One fuel in India? Indian Oil. Sea Defenders 2024 exercise will be held between India and which country? America. Who won the title of Miss World 2024? That is Kristina Pijakova. In which country Nazrul Utsav has started? That is Bangladesh. Who is the first fast bowler in the world to take 700 wickets? James Anderson. Baikom has become the 27th district of which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Who has won the Pritzker Prize 2024? Rikin Yamamoto. Where has C6 Energy opened the first mechanized seaweed farm? On March 10, 2024, Indonesia. Where was Northeast India Film Festival 2024 held in fall? Operation Kamadhenu has been started by the police of which state on March 10, 2024? Jammu and Kashmir. Where did Modi launch Mahatari Vandan Yojana? Chhattisgarh. Who has reached the top in the ICC test rankings? India. Manjuli mask of which state have got GI tag? Assam. Which state government has launched Ningal Nalama scheme for the upliftment of families on March 11, 2024? Tamil Nadu. Where has the foundation stone of Mahatma Buddha University of Agriculture and Technology been laid recently? That is Kushinagar. Who was honored with Miss World Humanitarian Award on March 11? Neeta Ambani. On March 11, Prime Minister Modi has inaugurated the Sela Tunnel connecting Assam and which state? Arunachal Pradesh. Who has been awarded the Netherlands Erasmus Prize 2024 on March 11? That is Amitabh Ghosh. In which state Prime Minister Modi has unveiled the 125 feet high statue of Lachit Barphukan on March 11? Assam. Who became world's top arms importer between 2019 and 2023? That is India. In which country was the exercise Cutlass Express 2024 organized? That is Seychelles. In which state did Prime Minister Modi inaugurate Kochram Ashram? That is Gujarat. Who has been awarded the title of Best Airport in the Asia Pacific continuously on March 12, 2024? Delhi Airport. Who has been awarded the honorary degree of Doctor of Civil Law? That is Draupadi Murmu. Where did the first private rocket blast take place? That is Japan. India's first automobile in-plant railway siding project has been inaugurated in which state? Gujarat. On March 13, 2024, the Chief Minister of which state has declared non-implementation of CAA? Tamil Nadu. Where has the Khelo India Rising Talent Identification Program inaugurated? That is Chandigarh. Who has topped the Gender Equality Index? As always, Denmark has topped the Gender Equality Index. Who has topped the ICC Men's World Ranking? Netherlands. Who has launched Prasar Bharati News Service PB Shabad on March 14? Anurag Thakur. Who has been honored with the Sangeet Natak Academy Award on March 14, 2024? Manjula Ramaswamy. Whereas Fuladi Festival celebrated Uttarakhand. Who has won the Chameli Devi Jain Award 2024 on March 15, 2024? Grishma Khutar and Ritika Chopra. Which team has won the title of Ranji Trophy? Mumbai. How many prisons in India have been certified as Eat Right campus by FSSAI on March 15, 2024? That is 100. Who has launched world's most powerful rocket Starship SpaceX? Who has been honored with PV Narasimha Rao Memorial Award on March 16? Ratan Tata. Which country has unveiled the world's first 3D printed mosque? World's first 3D printed mosque has been unveiled by Saudi Arabia. Where was World's Spiritual Festival organized? That is Hyderabad. What position has India held in the Global Human Development Index 2023-2024? That is 134th. In which state Pandavula Gutta has been declared land heritage on March 16? Telangana. In which country a state of emergency has been declared after the volcanic eruption on March 17, 2024? That is Iceland. Which country will legalize AIDS in time? France. Who has been declared the national disabled icon by the Election Commission on March 17? Sheetal Devi. That is a para archer. Where has India's first indoor athletics and aquatics center been inaugurated? India's first indoor athletics and aquatics center. That is in Bhubaneswar. Who has been awarded Sangeet Kalanidhi Award? That is T.M. Krishna. Where is India's first Ayurvedic cafe opened? New Delhi. India's first Ayurvedic cafe? New Delhi. Pokhara has been declared the tourist capital of which country? Nepal. On which planet has a huge volcano named Noctis been discovered? Mars. Which country has signed an agreement to buy Indian made Dornier aircraft on March 19, 2024? Guyana. Which country has become the country with the worst air in the world? Bangladesh. Which app has been developed to help the astronaut of Gaganyaan mission on March 19? Sakhi app. Who has become the most polluted city in the world? Begusarai. Where has the Indian Army established its first Apache squadron? Jodhpur. Who was awarded the Maharashtra Gaurav Award? Dr. Uma Reli. Who has received Saraswati Samman 2023? That is Prabha Verma. Where did Third Northeast Games 2024 begin? Nagaland. Where was the fourth SCA Startup Forum organized? New Delhi. Who has been appointed as the new AI head of Microsoft on March 21, 2024? Mustafa Suleiman. Where will India's first battery storage gigafactory start? Jammu and Kashmir. Which country's government will ban disposable e-cigarette? New Zealand. India's first battery storage gigafactory? Jammu Kashmir. Which medal has Nayan James won in the Indian Open Jump? Gold. Who has won the Global Inequality Award 2024 on March 22, 2024? That is Meena Agarwal, James K. Boyce. On March 22, 2024, in which country a pig's kidney has been transplanted into living person for the first time? That is America. Who was awarded Bhutan's highest honor, Order of Druk Gyalpo, on March 22? Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Which state's Foundation Day was celebrated on 22nd March? Bihar. A case against Apple for violation of antitrust laws has been initiated by the government of which country? America. On March 22, Earth successfully tested landing mission of the reusable launch vehicle. What is its name? Pushpak. Which operation has been started to rescue Indians stranded in the Haiti? Operation Indravati. On March 23, 6 heritage sites of which state have been included in the temporary list of UNESCO? Madhya Pradesh. When was Earth Hour 2024 held? 23rd March. Who has become the first Indian to score 12,000 T20 runs on March 23? Virat Kohli. Where is Asia's largest tulip garden opened? Srinagar. On March 24, which American state has enacted a law to protect musicians and artists from AI? Tennessee. In which community Hola Mohalla festival has started? Sikh. Which country has launched Kuikyao 2 relay satellite for Earth Moon communication? China. After whom an asteroid of the International Astronomical Union has been named on March 24? Jayant Murthy. Chandrayaan 3 landing site has been recognized by the International Astronomical Union. What was its named? That is Shiva Shakti. Where was Dol Purnima festival celebrated? West Bengal. Where did Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurate Gyaltsuen Jetson Pema Wangchuk Mother and Child Hospital? Bhutan. Who has become the first state to launch water resource control board? That is Rajasthan. Which country's Independence Day was celebrated on March 26? Bangladesh. Which High Court has cancelled the Madarsa Education Act? That is Allahabad High Court of Uttar Pradesh. Who has been awarded the Abel Prize 2024? Michel Telegrand. Where was Made in Puya festival celebrated? Sri Lanka. Who will start the START program 2024? That is ISRO. Where was Made in Puya festival celebrated? Sri Lanka. Who has been named Airline of the Year at the 2024? Indigo. Who has launched Saksham app for persons with disabilities on March 27? That is Election Commission. On March 28, Adani Ports has acquired Gopalpur Port of which state? Gopalpur Port of Odisha. Who has won the gold medal in the 59 kg youth category in the Para Powerlifting World Cup on March 28? Vinay Kumar. On March 29, 2024, America and Britain have imposed sanctions on which country for alleged cyber espionage? That is China. who has become the champion of boxing sub-junior national championship on March 29, 2024. Haryana. Which country has legalized gay marriage? That is Thailand. According to the annual India TB report, what is the percentage decline in the new cases of TB since 2015? 16%. In which state has a 900-year-old Kannada inscription of the Kalyana Chalukya dynasty been found? Telangana. Which country will participate in the Miss Universe contest for the first time? Saudi Arabia. Who has become the strongest life insurance brand according to the Brand Finance Insurance 100 on March 30, 2024? LIC. Who has made the highest team score in IPL history on March 30, 2024? That is Sunrisers Hyderabad. Where was Made in Poya festival celebrated? Sri Lanka. On March 31st, where was LCA Tejas Mk1A completed its first flight? That is Bengaluru. Which country has launched a satellite for atmospheric space environment monitoring on March 31, 2024? China. Who has taken over as the president of FICCI Women's Organization? Jayashree Das Verma. Who has been honored with the International Sanskrit Award on March 31? Meena Chandara. Who has won the women's single title at Miami Open Tennis? Danielle Collins. Where has the famous Sanchi craft got the GI tag? That is Sanchi craft of Mathura, Uttar Pradesh. Which country has partially joined Europe Schengen travel visa? Romania and Bulgaria. Who has been selected as Hockey Player of the Year? Hardik Singh and Salim Tete. Which state's costume Rigani Pachara has got GI tag? That is Tripura. Rigani Pachara GI tag, Tripura. The governor of which state has inaugurated the Parambir Chakra Park on April 2? Parambir Chakra Park. That is Tamil Nadu. Where flute got GI tag on April 2? Pilipit. In which state China has changed the names of 30 places on April? Arunachal Pradesh. India's first AI-based film trailer is launched on April 2. What is its name? ERA. First AI-based film trailer. ERA. Who has won the 56th National Kho-Kho Championship on April 2? That is Maharashtra. Operation Sankalp is related to which area? Maritime security. Which country has launched e-visa only for Indian tourists? Japan. Who has become India's top ranked chess player? Arjun Erigaisi. Where is India's homegrown gene therapy for cancer launched on April 4, 2024? IIT Mumbai. Which state government has challenged the role of governor in the law-making process on April 4, 2024? Kerala. Where has the world's most powerful laser been developed? That is Romania. Which ballistic missile has been successfully tested by DRDO on April 4? Agni Prime. Which medal has Vidyarani Devi won in the weightlifting World Cup on April 4? Bronze. Which foundation day did NATO celebrate on 4th April 75? Who has become India's first female jury member at Paris Olympic? That is Bilkis Mir. Which system has been inducted by the Army to enhance air defense posture? Akash Tir. Why, when India aims to increase nuclear power capacity to 1 lakh megawatt 2047? Who has been honored with the 15th CIDC Vishwakarma Award on April 5? SJVN Limited. Which is the best place in the world to do business? Singapore. Where is exercise Sagar Kavach conducted? Lakshadweep. According to the WADA report, in which country the maximum number of doping cases have been found in the year 2022? India. By when does the Indian government plan to end urea imports? 2025. Which country has refused to host the Commonwealth Games? Singapore. Which has become the first company in India to cross 10,000 megawatt renewable energy? Adani Green. Voice cloning tool Voice Engine has been unveiled by OpenAI. Who has been honored at the Glamour and Lifestyle Award 2024? On April 7, Dr. Nikesh Jain. On April 7, 2024, India has approved the largest ever export quota of essential commodities for which country? Maldives, who has become the only Indian weightlifter to qualify for Paris Olympics 2024, that is Mirabai Chanu, who has won the 15th CIDC Vishwakarma Award. Gale. How many lakh users have adopted RBI's digital currency? 50 lakh users. April 7, 2024, Lancet study predicts prostate cancer cases will likely double by when? That is 2040. Who has become the player who has scored the most centuries in IPL? Virat Kohli. Where has Apricot Blossom Festival 2024 started? Ladakh. Where has the Indian Coast Guard inaugurated the Aquatic Center on April 8, 2024? Tamil Nadu. On April 8, 2024, which country's John Tennessee Booth has been declared the world's oldest living person? That is Britain. Who will be given the Germany Democracy Award? Yulia Navlanya. Where was the Tri-Service Conference Parivartan Chintan organized on April 8, 2024? New Delhi. India has acquired operational control over Sippe port in which country? Myanmar. Which country's army will launch a campaign to collect garbage from Mount Everest? Nepal. From which country has the Indian army received the portable Igla-S air defense system? Russia. Where will the government of India develop a plant for recycling of LIB and e-waste? Uttarakhand. Which country has imported the most crude oil from Russia? China. Which app has been launched by the ECAI Suvidha portal? Which country has introduced a new gold-backed currency on April 9? Zimbabwe. Where has the New Year Ugadi Utsav been celebrated on April 10? Karnataka, Goa, Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Where was the Gangur Mahotsav 2024 celebrated? Rajasthan. Which country has been on top in the case of hepatitis? China. On April 10, ISRO team has been selected for the John L. Jack Swigert Jr. Award for which mission? Chandrayaan 3. John L. Jack Swigert Jr. Award. Chandrayaan 3. Which country has deployed its ship-based defense system Sea Dome for the first time on April 11? Israel. Which IIT has invented nanosensor for rapid disease detection? IIT Jodhpur. Which has become the first private bank to open a branch in Lakshadweep? SDFC Bank. Joint military exercise Daslik was conducted between India and which country? Between Uzbekistan and India. Who has topped the global cybercrime index? Russia. Who has become the 8th Indian to score 7,000 or more runs in T20 cricket on April 12, 2024? Surya Kumar Yadav. Who has topped the Harun Global Unicorn Index 2024? USA. Which Indian university has topped the QS University rankings? JNU. Which country has topped the ranking of most criminal countries released on April 13? Venezuela. Which state's gone painting has got GI tag? Madhya Pradesh. Which country has tested Angara A5 rocket? Russia. Who is going to become the first astronaut to travel to space as a tourist? Gopi Thotakura. Where has Adani Green built the world's largest renewable energy park? Gujarat. Who has overtaken China in the export of digital services? India. Who has won the World Literary Award? Mamtaji Sagar. Who has become the first multinational car maker from India to export EVs to international market? Citroën. That is a multinational car company. In which country Poila Baishakh was celebrated? Bangladesh. Who has partnered with eSeva and Han Pokhara to promote UPI in Nepal? That is PhonePe. PM Narendra Modi has become the first PM after Indira Gandhi to appear on the cover of which magazine? Newsweek. Who has been named South Asian Person of the Year by Harvard on April 14? Avantika Vandanpu. Who has won the National Women's Carom title for the 12th time? Rashmi Kumari. To which country India has gifted 35 ambulances and 66 school buses on April 14? Nepal. Which country's badminton player Jonathan Christie has won the Asia badminton title? That is Indonesia. On April 15, which country has joined the list of 60 countries responsible for mismanaged plastic waste? India, who has won the Asian AM Turing Award. A.V. Wigderson. On April 16, 2024, which country's Deependra Singh has made the record of hitting 6 sixes in an over? Nepal. On April 16, Mahindra plans to set up a hybrid energy project worth Rs 1200 crore in which state? Maharashtra, which is the first stadium in India to use hybrid pitch technology. That is to be built on April 16, 2024. Dharmshala, with whom has BEL signed an agreement for cooperation in quantum technology? IIT Mandi, who has been declared the world's busiest airport? Hartsfield Jackson Atlanta International Airport, who has been named Wisden's leading cricketer of the world? That is Pat Cummins and Nat Cyberbrunt. Which country has announced to test the Extra Mark 2 missile with a range of 130 km? That is India. Where on April 17 the High Court has cancelled the custody of the person under PSA 1978, Jammu Kashmir, who has been honored with Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award? Amitabh Bachchan. How many total medals has India won in the Asian Wrestling Championship 2024? Asian Wrestling Championship. India won 9 medals. Where is the 23rd session of the United Nations Permanent Forum on Indigenous Issues being organized? New York. On April 17, with whom has Greenfield Noida International Airport signed an agreement for fuel pipeline? BPCL. Where has the evaluation center space been inaugurated by DRDO for the Indian Navy on April 18? Idukki. On April 18, UNFPA has estimated India's population to double in how many years? 77 years. Uh, where has DRDO successfully tested Nirbhay ITCM cruise missile on April 18? Odisha. Who has launched the world's first meningitis vaccine? World first meningitis vaccine has been launched by Nigeria. Who has been included in the Times Magazine list of 100 most influential people in the world? Alia Bhatt. Where did Tiranga Barfi get GI Tech? Varanasi, who has been given the Asunta Lakra Award for the upcoming Player of the Year by Hockey India? Deepika Soren. How many Indian banks have joined the top 50 lenders in Asia Pacific by assets as on April 19, 2024? 3. To which country has India given the first consignment of BrahMos missile on April 19? Philippines. AFMS and which IIT have signed an agreement to solve the health problem of soldiers? IIT Kanpur. Who has been selected for the Malcolm Adeshaya Award 2023? Utsa Patnaik. Utsa Patnaik. ISRO has decided to achieve debris-free space by which year? 2030. Who won the Global Energy Award? That is Kaushik Rajsekhar. Which badminton player has retired from international badminton on April 20? Kento Momota. Kento Momota. Which state's government has made permanent education member mandatory from year for the year 2024-2025? Andhra Pradesh. Who has launched Link It Forget campaign? RuPay. Where did ISRO chief inaugurate the headquarters of Digantara for space security? Bengaluru. Where 3 new archaeological sites have been discovered on April 20, Telangana. On April 21, US has blocked which country's request for full membership of the United Nations? Palestine. Which will become the first country in Asia with a 4-day work week? First country in Asia with 4-day work week, that is Singapore. Who has tied up with NPCI to launch credit services on UPI? Amazon Pay on April 21. Who has become the 38th century country to join the Artemis Agreement. 38th country to join Artemis Agreement, Sweden, who has been awarded the Aryabhat Award in Space Science on April 21. Pabuluri Subbarao. Which medal has Sheetal Devi won in the Khelo India NTPC National Ranking Archery competition on April 21? Silver. Who has created new world record for the lowest limb skating on April 21? Lowest limb skating. Takshvi Waghani, who has won the World's Press Photo of the Year 2024 award on April 22. Muhammad Salim. Where has the Sompen tribe participated in voting for the first time? Great Nicobar, who has been appointed as the first employee of OpenAI, Pragya Mishra. Which Indian Grandmaster has won the title of Candidates Chess Tournament on April 2022? April 2024, D. Gukesh. Indian milk brand Nandini has become the sponsor of which team in upcoming T20 World Cup? Scotland and Ireland. In which country the first Hindi radio broadcast has started on April 22? Kuwait, who has announced Vasha 1 AI model to convert images into videos. Microsoft. In which state Lakshman Tirth River has dried up due to drought and extreme heat on April 23, 2024. Karnataka, who has been appointed as the first woman vice chancellor of Aligarh Muslim University, Naima Khatun, who has been honored with the prestigious KISS Humanitarian Award 2021, Ratan Tata. India's Geeta Sabharwal has been appointed as the local coordinator of UN in which country on April 23, Indonesia, sorry, who has become the first bowler to take 200 IPL wickets, Yajuvendra Chahal. According to SIPRI report, which country has become the country with the highest military expenditure? USA. Where was Thrissur Puram Utsav 2024 celebrated? Kerala. According to the CRS report, approximately how many thousand of Indians have taken the oath of American citizenship? That is 66,000. Which medal has Prachi Yadav won in the ACC Parkonia Asian Championship 2024? That is gold. Which country's tennis player Garbiñe Muguruza Blanco has announced her retirement on April 24? Spain. In which state the rare butterfly Nephthys filara has been discovered? Arunachal Pradesh, who has become the world's largest mobile operator in terms of data traffic, Reliance Jio, who has been given the Laureate World Sportsman of the Year 2024 award, Novak Djokovic. Where has India's largest climate clock been installed? That is in New Delhi. Where is the Oceans Decade Conference 2024 being held on April 24? That is Spain. Which state government has made digital signature mandatory for all officers? Jammu Kashmir, who has been declared India's best private hospital by Newsweek. That is Medanta, Gurukam. Which country's singer Rizwana Chaudhary Banya has received the Padam Shri Award on April 24, 2024? Bangladesh. India's lightest bulletproof jacket has been developed by DRDO, who has become India's top female table tennis player on April 24, Srija Akula. Which country has world's cheapest passport? UAE, who has been honored with Lata Dinanath Mangeshkar Award 2024? Amitabh Bachchan. Where was Archery World Cup 2024 organized on April 25? China, who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of ICC T20 World Cup? Usain Bolt, who represented India in the International Conference of Security, that is Ajit Doval, who has been elected chairman of the WFI athlete panel on April 25? Narsingh Yadav. In which country was the World Energy Congress 2024 organized? Netherlands. Where was Khonjom Day celebrated on April 25, 2024? Manipur. Where is India's first green hydrogen pilot project inaugurated on April 26? Himachal Pradesh. Where was the opening ceremony of the first Gulf Youth Games held on April 26, 2024? Dubai. Which bank has been banned by RBI from adding new customers? Kotak Mahindra Bank. Which company has become the sponsor of FIFA World Cup? Aramco. Where is the second global IP leadership summit organized by Ashochem on April 27, New Delhi, who has been appointed as the ambassador of ICC Women's T20 World Cup qualifier, Sana Mir. Which country's military forces killed 223 civilians, including infants? Burkina Faso. Where was the 50th anniversary of the G7 summit celebrated on April 28? Italy. In which country powerlifter Gaurav Sharma has been awarded the honorary doctorate degree? America. Which medal has Indian parachuter Mona Agrawal won in the World Shooting Para Sports Tournament on April 29? Gold. Which country has launched its spacecraft Shenzhou 18? China. According to UNCTAD report, by what percent India's service export have increased? That is 11.4%. Which country's parliament has passed a bill criminalizing homosexual relations on April 30? Iraq. Who has launched India's first upgradable ATM, Hitachi Payment Service, who has become the latest European city to fight over terrorism, that is Milan. Which state Gina Justus has been nominated for the Cambridge Teacher Award? Hitachi, Hitachi Payments. This question is wrong, and hopefully the answer will be some state. So please check it on the YouTube. Which Indian cricketer has been appointed by the ICC as the ambassador for the Men's T20 World Cup 2024? Yuvraj Singh. Which state has been on the top in adapting clean energy? Gujarat and Karnataka. In which country the SEO defense minister meeting was held on April 30? Kazakhstan. On April 30, 2024, Indian Historical Records Commission has changed its logo and motto. Under which ministry does it come? Ministry of Culture. How many gold medals has India won in Archery World Cup? 3 medals. In which state blue voters voted for the first time in the Lok Sabha election? Tripura. Which AI anchor of India Today has won the Global Media Award? Sana. On April 30, how many medals has India won in the Asian Under 20 Athletic Championship 2024? 29. Who has been given the Goldman Environmental Award 2024? Alok Shukla. On April 30, who launched the offline QR code based scan and pay service? CRED. On April 30, scientists of which country have found a 90 million year old herbivorous dinosaur? Argentina. Who has taken charge as the 26th Navy Chief? Dinesh Kumar Tripathi. On my first here March and April current affair gets completed, and we will be discussing my current affair in our next session. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.